Today we have something very interesting to show you. Do you guys remember last year, me and my mum harvested this giant lao? We made a video about it. It was a very funny, entertaining video.
We harvested the biggest bottle gourd of 2021, and Akib and his mum harvested in that corner outside here. And we have completely forgotten about this bottle gourd. It was kept under the sofa behind me. Yesterday my wife was cleaning the kitchen and we found this bottle gourd. Now today I've cut open, and guess what I'm seeing inside this bottle gourd? You'll be amazed by it.
Wow.
Look at this. We have bottle gourd seedlings inside the hodu plant here. Inside the hodu, not the hodu plant. So we have seed sprouting and we have seedlings inside the fruit.
That is amazing.
That's amazing.
We have bottle gourd plants growing inside the actual fruit.
Yes. So the seed has sprouted inside the fruit. And guess what? We have hodu seedlings inside this hodu, or the bottle gourd. Isn't that amazing?
Yes, it is.
This seedling is very anxious, isn't it?
It wants to come out.
It wants to come out. Maybe if we can manage to save these seedlings over the next 2 months, who knows?
We could get quite a few bottle gourds.
We might get a few bottle gourds from it.
I think we should take them out and plant them into a little container.
I think we should put them in a pot, yes?
Yeah.
In containers. To try to save these seedlings.
And look at these beautiful matured seeds.
Yes, it's given us plenty of mature seeds. It would be nice if we can save it.
We could get a few early bottle gourds, Dad.
Let's see if it works. By the way, please don't sow your bottle gourd seed now. We are 6 months away. Don't sow it until April. This is just... this wasn't planned. It's nature's job. I wasn't planning this. And let's see if I can somehow save this. Okay, let me... Okay, so how do I do this? I don't want to break it.
Be careful when doing it, Dad.
How do I do this? Oh God, it's going to break. Hold on.
Oh!
This is broken. Oh, I've broken it. Hold on. That doesn't look good. Oh.
Oh.
Never mind, I just have one more here.
You just have one there.
Let me see. Oh. Okay, I think I managed to...
Oh, you got that one out, Dad.
This one out, yeah? Alright, let's put this here. Let's put this there. We might be able to save this. Alright, let's see. Okay, so do we have any more? One more here, okay.
Oh, that's the little one. Yeah, you can use that.
Let me see if I can save this one. Let me take all the seeds out. Let's take all this, remove all the seeds.
There it is.
Alright.
Do we have any more in here?
Not on there.
No.
So now, let's just place this here. Okay, so let's hope for the best. Unfortunately, we've broken it, so this is not going to work. So See if we have any more in this one. Your mum's going to get very angry. We're messing her kitchen up.
But Dad, we need to do the cleaning up.
Does she know this?
She's upstairs playing.
My wife doesn't like us doing all this inside the kitchen.
Luckily, she's upstairs playing with Harris.
Oh. Plenty of nice
Matured
seeds in there,
seeds,
isn't it?
yep.
These are nice mature seeds. Alright. So I managed to put 2 in this containers here, okay? Now I'm going to place some Epsom salt.
Hopefully these survive.
I'm really amazed by this. So, forgotten about this hodu. It was under the sofa. Yesterday my wife was cleaning it. Cut this open to see if there's any seeds in there. And guess what? We found seedlings inside it. Isn't that amazing?
And plenty of mature seeds.
Look, I feel so sad, isn't it? I was so anxious to come out in this world. But I managed, I think I might be able to save at least one of them. Let's hope. Fingers crossed.